If you want to collaborate visually with the other team members while you're running a meeting from Microsoft Teams, then you can collaborate with Microsoft Whiteboard as well. So to access and share Microsoft Whiteboard, you can go around and click on the share button right here. And here you can see Microsoft Whiteboard is an option. And here it says collaborate on a whiteboard. So if I were to go around and click right here, then what happens is that Microsoft Whiteboard opens up over here. So here you can see you can present whiteboard or you can collaborate so that everyone else can edit as well. So once that is turned on, I'm going to go around and click on collaborate on whiteboard right here. So once that is done, what it says is everyone can edit. So over here, you can see that whiteboard actually opens up. And if you want to learn more about whiteboard, you can check my playlist for whiteboard, that is Microsoft Whiteboard tutorials as well. So here you can see that you can go around and add in notes right here. You can work around with text right here, as you can see. So you can go around and then bring in different notes right here, just like this. That is sticky notes, as you can see. You can draw around, and then you can visually communicate out your ideas with other team members that may be there in the meeting, just like this. You'll be able to see who are there in the meeting over here on the top right here, and then collaborate in different ways. So over here, you can go around and then let's say create. You can access this out, as you can see. You can add in documents, images, you can add in reactions over here, as you can see, just like this. And then just go around and communicate visually, just like this. So that is how you can collaborate with Microsoft Whiteboard in meetings inside of Microsoft Teams. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.